Use the best quality fuel you can afford. LUMPWOOD charcoal is a good option for a charcoal barbecue. Light the barbecue at least 30 minutes before cooking on it. The barbecue is ready when the charcoal looks a powdery grey white and has a red glow underneath. While the barbecue is firing up, get your meat ready. To make sure it cooks evenly, take the meat out of the fridge 15 minutes before cooking. If marinating the meat, do this a few hours earlier or even the day before. Time your prep well so that you start cooking only when the charcoal is ready. Make sure the barbecue has had enough time to get to its ideal cooking heat. Otherwise, the flames will burn the meat on the outside and it'll be raw on the inside. Use a meat thermometer. It will help you decide if the meat is cooked and safe to eat. Avoid using too much oil on the meat. It will drip onto the charcoal and fuel the flames. So, before cooking, dab any excess oil from the meat with kitchen towel. No one likes a dry burger, so don't squish it down flat on the grill or all the juices will escape. Use rosemary sprigs instead of stainless steel or wooden skewers. They will add flavour to the meat from the inside. Add oak or hickory wood chips to the hot charcoal or some fresh aromatic herbs. Welsh lamb and Welsh beef burgers deserve the best tasting buns. Toast the insides of the buns on the grill for the ultimate barbecue flavour. Hot charcoal takes a while to cool down, so leave it for at least 12 hours before discarding it safely. And don't forget to clean the grill after each use. It will save you time and effort the next time.